Looking to add a great first-person perspective to your next DIY project? Need video evidence of your achievement? Do you ever wish you had a good hands-free camera on your bike rides or nature hikes? If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to get that first-person perspective of your activities, then you're looking for the Headcam from Electroflip.com. The Headcam is a 4-head mount camera that was designed to give your viewers a unique vantage point of what you're doing. An adjustable spandex strap fastens the Headcam securely and comfortably to your forehead, while microSD memory stores hours of high-quality footage. The Headcam features a built-in microphone to add a soundtrack to your video. It's lightweight, has simple one-button operation, uses standard AAA batteries, and has a comfortable headband that is easy to wear and easy to wash. The Headcam's unique design makes hands-free operation a reality. No other digital camera or camcorder can compare to the convenience this first-person center POV video camera can offer. The Headcam's unique, contoured, lightweight design is comfortable and convenient, and makes a perfect companion for anyone who wants to capture video but needs the use of both of their hands. The water and dust-resistant casing makes the Headcam ideal to get first-person perspectives for mechanics creating how-to repair car videos, home repair tips, aspiring chefs willing to share their secret techniques, or even for you gardening enthusiasts looking to show off your latest planting. With a simple on-off switch on the back, you'll always know when the unit is on or off, so you don't waste battery life. And as an added bonus, the unit chirps when you turn it on or off, giving you audible confirmation that it's ready to be used. To capture video, simply press the large button on top, and an audible chirp lets you know recording has started. Additionally, the blue LED will flash as a visual confirmation that you're recording. When you're done recording, just press the large button again. The blue LED will remain lit and another chirp will confirm that it has stopped. That's it! There are no menus or other buttons to confuse you. One switch to turn on and off, and one button to start and stop recording. The Headcam captures 30 frames per second video at 640 by 480 resolution, the industry standard for SD resolution, providing fast uploading to your computer. Additionally, audio is recorded through a built-in microphone. All Headcam footage is recorded in AVI format, which makes it compatible with any Mac or Windows system. A microSD reader will make it easy to transfer files to your computer. The Headcam records onto microSD cards up to 16 gigabytes. However, a simple 2 gigabyte card can hold hours of video. The Headcam clips securely onto an adjustable spandex strap that can fasten to your head. The one-size-fits-all adjustable strap is strong enough to stay put, but flexible and soft enough to be comfortable when wrapped around your forehead. And don't worry about getting sweat on it. The removable strap is machine washable. If you're concerned about battery life, don't be. You can get hours of footage on 3 standard AAA batteries, and when they run out, you don't have to waste money on expensive proprietary batteries or time recharging the unit. Just pop in 3 more AAA batteries and you're back in the action. The Headcam was built for people looking to have an easy and affordable way to capture first-person video. You could spend your time and money playing with bulky and expensive camera gear, or you could save your money and spend your time capturing what you love to do with the Headcam. So, if you want to share your latest DIY project, recipe, or auto repair tips, then get the Headcam from Electroflip.com and never miss your chance at video fame.